Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng extra income pero hindi mo alam kung paano mo gagawin? Well, gusto kong ituro sa iyo yung aking trading plan sa stock market. Panoorin mo yung video na to. Before we get started, disclaimer muna, hindi po ako expert sa stock market. Maaaring pag nakapanood ka ng ibang mga traders or investors, iba yung strategy na ginagamit nila. Yung sa akin po ay ito yung na-establish ko lang through time na simple technical analysis. Hindi po ito masyadong advanced. Wala po akong masyadong madaming ginagamit na indicators. As in, simple lang po ito na yun lang naman ay naiintindihan ko. Pero willing naman tayo to learn more. Kasi alam ko na if you will learn more, you will earn more. So for now, ito lang muna yung aking mga ginagamit sa aking basic technical analysis. Okay? So i-share ko muna sa iyo kung paano ko ginagawa ito. Pero syempre, alam natin na hindi lahat ay ma-share for this video kasi nga hindi sapat yung time na pwede nating i-google lahat pagkasya hindi to. But ang gusto ko lang malaman mo is there is a trading plan on when to buy and sell stocks. Hindi ka manghuhula eh. Kailan ba ako bibili? Kailan ba ako magbebenta? Hindi ka manghuhula kasi makikita mo na pwede kang mag-establish ng system mo kung paano mo magagawa yung trading plan mo. Pero syempre, you have to practice pa din. Hindi mo naman siya agad makukuha. Kahit naman ako, hindi ko to agad naintindihan nung simula. It's really taking time to practice and yung mag-analyze ka, backtesting, babalikan mo yung history, titingnan mo yung na-establish mo trading plan kung mag-work siya through backtesting, and at the same time, pwede kang mag-practice ng trading through virtual trading. Okay? So, pero simulan muna natin kung ano yung mga pwede mong alamin sa technical analysis. So, ang ginagamit ko sa technical analysis ay candlestick. So, ano ba yung candlestick? Yung mga nakikita mo po dito, green and red, candlesticks po yan. So, ibig sabihin lang, kapag nakakita ka ng green, there are more buyers. Parang ang nag-dominate ng market mga buyers. Pag nakakita ka ng red, there are more sellers. Parang ang nag-dominate ng market ay more on sellers. And kapag ka ang madaming buyers, tumataas yung presyo. Kapag madaming sellers, bumababa yung presyo. So, ganun po yun. And kung makikita mo dito, there are different structures ng candles. Iba't ibang shape and sizes yung body ng candle. So, body ng candle ang tawag dito. At yung parang buntot sa baba, sa taas at sa baba, ang tawag dyan ay wick. So, ano-ano ba yung pwede mong i-check dito? Actually, madaming klase ng candlestick pattern. Hindi po tayo matatapos. Pero, I will just conduct a free training on how to use some of the candlestick patterns. Okay? So for now, ang i-share muna natin at least is alam mo na pwede mong i-check yung candlestick. Pag madaming buyers, kulay green yun or pwedeng white, tataas yung presyo. Pag madaming sellers, kulay red yung candlestick or black, bababa yung presyo. Okay? And ang pwede mo pang i-check is the time frame. So number 1, candlestick. Number 2 is the time frame. So dito sa time frame, mayroong 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and meron ditong 12 months. Okay? So ako, ang ginagamit ko for my long-term investing is the 1 week. 1 week, and also, ginagamit ko na din yung 1 day. Pero let's start muna with the 1 week, and later na lang yung 1 day i-explain ko sa iyo. So yung mag-start na lang muna tayo sa 1 week. Ibig sabihin lang yan, for every candle na makikita mo is 1 week. So, let's try dito. Usually, every Monday yan eh. So, January 8 is Monday, January 1, December 25, December 18, December 11. So, ibig sabihin, bawat isang candlestick 1 week. Kung gagawin mo itong 1 day, ibig sabihin, bawat isang candlestick na makikita mo, isang trading day. Walang candlestick pag holiday and weekend. So, for example, January 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 5 na to. Kasi nga, yung 6 and 7, weekend yon. And then, January 4, January 3, January 2. Okay? And so on. So, balik natin sa week. Ayan. So, at least napakita ko na sa'yo that pwede mo i-check yung candlestick, pwede mo gamitin yung time frame, and also, pwede mong gamitin yung horizontal line. Dito siya. Horizontal line. Ayan yun. Ibig sabihin, yung horizontal line gagamitin mo to plot the support and resistance. Yung support level, like this one, this is the support level. dito ka bibili ng stocks. Price level yan or price range kung saan ka bibili ng stocks. And the resistance level, ito or ito. Yung support level is ito or ito. Yung resistance level is ito or ito. Ito yung price range kung saan ka bibili, yung support level. And then yung price range kung saan ka magbebenta is the resistance level. Okay? So, pero paano mo ba ipa-plot yung support and resistance? I will share it with you sa free training. Kasi may mga steps tayong susundin eh. I cannot share every detail here. But I would just like to tell you na merong way on how to buy and sell stocks. Hindi mo mahuhulaan yan. So dapat alam mo yung candlestick, alam mo yung time frame, alam mo yung support and resistance. Okay? So itong simpleng technical analysis na to, pwede mong gamitin for a long-term investing. If you want to learn more on this, kung paano ko to ina-analyze, I'm inviting you to attend a free online training on January 26, 2024 at 7 p.m. Philippine time. But actually, it's a 3-day training eh. Kasi on January 24, how to invest or how to start to invest sa blue chips, ng REITs, dividend investing. So ngayon, yung ating January 25 at 7 p.m. Philippine time pa din is how to invest sa long-term investing o how to start, paano magsimula at kumita sa long-term investing. Na pwede kang mag-peso cost averaging, i-discuss din natin yung fundamental analysis. And syempre, ang goal mo muna is paano ka magsimula. Kasi kung hindi mo malalaman, hindi ka naman kikita. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo aralin. Pero perfect ba yung analysis natin? In reality, pwede kang magkamali kasi hindi talaga to perfect. Bakit? Kasi sa stock market, hindi mo naman talaga perfectly malalaman eh. Kasi everything will be based on the history. Yung analysis natin would be based on the history. Pero ganun pa din again, hindi to perfect at hindi ako expert sa stock market. Ito ay base na lang sa experience ko at mga natutunan ko through time na pwede kong i-share. Basta continuous learning ka, hindi mo talaga agad makukuha yan eh. Hindi po talaga ganun. Kahit saan naman. Siguro you would understand na kahit ikaw nag-aral ka ng college, hindi mo naman agad naintindihan yung lesson. It took 4 years to learn, diba? So, sa stock market, okay lang pa konti-konti. Basta huwag mong tigilan. Ikaw na yung mag-define kung ang pag-aaral mo ay every weekend or pag-uwi mo. So that depende. 30 minutes per day, 15 minutes per day, nasa yun na yun. Okay? So if you're interested, attend ka na lang ang free 3-day training natin. Lalagay ko yung registration link. Dito, mag-register ka dahil hindi ka mapapadala na updates kapag hindi ka nag-register. Magkita-kita tayo online on January 24, 25, and 26, 7 p.m. Philippine time. And kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to, please like, share, and subscribe. Salamat. This is Cynthia and I'll see you in my next video.